Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to turn on automatic replies on Outlook. So if you want to turn on automatic replies, and also I am going to show you how to do it, and how to set schedule or time to for automatic replies. So let's get started. First of all, just log in into your Outlook account. You will see like this interface in your app or in your desktop. So now what you have to do is just click on the setting, and when you click on the setting you will see like this. Now what you have to do is click on the view all Outlook setting. Just click on the view all Outlook setting, and here you will, at the bottom of your screen, you will see automatic reply under email. So just click on this, and you will see that it is turned off. Now you have to click on it and it will automatic replies is on. So now send replies only during a time. So if you want to send a reply at a specific time, you can select this, and here from here you can select a start time or date, and also time duration like this, and end time. Block my calendar for this period. Automatically decline new invitation for event occurring during the period. Decline or cancel my meeting during this period. So you can decline or cancel your meeting. You select these things, and if you want, and now you can add your message, whatever you want to reply, automatic reply. So like this, and send replies only to contacts. So you can if you check this, only the contacts which you have saved in your Outlook account, so only them this will send, automatic replies will be sent. So like this you can send automatic reply in Outlook. So if you like this video, please like video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.